Heavy downpour continuing in Dallas. You can see almost 3 to 4 inches of rain has already fallen in the DFW area, and more is to continue until Saturday morning. As you can see from my apartment window, it's raining quite heavily. I'll move across the other window. You can barely hear my voice. It's raining so hard in here. It's raining cats and dogs. There's been alarms, cops everywhere, telling people to stay back home and drive safely. You can see in the UTA campus, flying from the shop, from everywhere it's possible. Flooding, as you can see, heavily. Be safe there, Dallas-Fortworth. Please be in home.